Okay, welcome to my channel. So if you are new to this channel, do subscribe for more. So now I will discuss or will explain the permutation of YouTube, the word YouTube. So having the formula p is equal to n factorial over n sub 1 factorial, n sub 2 factorial, n sub 3 factorial. Okay, so in that formula we will substitute, okay, the given problem. Okay, so the value in the given problem. So the question is find the permutation of the word YouTube. Okay, so a moment. Okay, so someone is watching. Yeah. Okay, so she is listening. Okay, his name is Kara. Okay. Yeah, so to begin, okay, p is equal to, by substituting, 7 factorial, because the word YouTube composed of 7 letters. Okay, so okay, and so our n sub 1 would be the letter that occur twice, and that is letter, okay, U. Okay, letter U. So 7 factorial, to evaluate 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, all over. Okay, the 2 factorial, what is 2 factorial? 2 times 1. So okay, we cross out the 2 times 1 and 2 times 1 because they are the same. So the remaining numbers are 7, 6, 5, 4. So you need to multiply that one to get the value. Okay, so to get the value permutation. So 7 times 6, okay, we have 42. Yeah, so a moment. So 7 times 6 will give us 42. Then you multiply that one by 5. Okay, so 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1, 21, 210. Okay, then multiplied by 4, the remaining number. So 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 1 is 4, then 4 times 2 is 8. Remember that 7 factorial is equal to 5040. So now 210 times 4 will give us 840. Okay, so that's the number of